How to add debit card to Trust Wallet. But before that, if you don't know what is Trust Wallet, it is a decentralized, non-custodial mobile cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to securely store, manage, and trade a wide range of digital assets, in which it is expanded to support thousands cryptocurrencies across multiple blockchains including Bitcoin, BNB Chain, Solana, and many more. And now to start adding a debit card to your Trust Wallet, just simply click the download button first to download using your iOS or even your Android for Google Play Store. And after successfully installing or downloading the Trust Wallet app on your mobile phone, you will be able to see here these pages or option, and it will show you a variety of options to navigate. But just proceed by clicking the buy option in here. By simply clicking on it, you should be able to start buying a kind of cryptocurrency that they offer on Trust Wallet. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply choose the payment method and enter the kind of cryptocurrency you want to purchase, such as Bitcoin, for example. And as you can see in here, we have here an option to input or link our credit card, but that depends on your kind of region or location you're into. Since in some regions, they offer here an option to add your debit card. And by clicking this one, for example, credit card or debit card in here, if you have, depending on your region or location, you'll automatically be directed on the page in here where you can start entering here or choosing the kind of debit card provider with the corresponding prices of fees on the right side panel of it. So after choosing the kind of payment provider, below here you could also proceed by entering or filling out the required information of your debit card, including your card number, your name or your card holder, and also the expiration date, CVV or security code in here. And once done, you can now click the continue button to proceed adding the debit card. But overall, that is just basically how you can add debit card to Trust Wallet.